Science skills and safety. Scientific literacy. What is scientific literacy? Scientific literacy is a vaccine against the charlatans of the world that would exploit your ignorance. This is by Neil deGrasse Tyson. A charlatan is a person who falsely pretends to know or be something in order to deceive people. So aside from Neil's definition of scientific literacy, I'd like you to pause the video right now and look up what scientific literacy is, and then write your answer down in your notes. Scientific literacy helps people to understand and evaluate information relating to science and technology in the world so that they may make better decisions. A general understanding of science is necessary to be an informed citizen. Specific scientific knowledge and skills are necessary for a wide range of careers. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and answer why a general science understanding is necessary to be an informed citizen, and come up with a list, 3 or 4 careers that utilize science on a daily basis. So now that we know what scientific literacy is, let's clarify 2 terms commonly used in science: observations and inferences. An observation is a statement of facts and occurrences that are made using our senses and sometimes by measurement with scientific instruments. So for example, the surface of the lab bench around the perimeter of the room are black and shiny. That's an observation. The temperature outside is 25 degrees Celsius. We can see that on the thermometer. So regarding the image below, list at least 3 observations. So pause the video and list 3 observations about this guy right here. So what are some observations? Well, he's blue. He has 2 antennae. He has 2 hands, 2 feet. He has a body. I keep saying he. That was not an observation. And you probably came up with a few other ones as well. This thing has 2 eyes. These are all observations. An inference is a statement based on reasoning from observations made. So for example, the bench's surfaces are probably smooth and cold based on them being black and shiny. The teacher's coffee looks hot based on seeing steam rise from the cup. So I'd like you to pause the video, and again, regarding the same image, come up with at least 3 inferences. So which ones did you come up with? Now there's going to be a long range of inferences you could come up with regarding this creature here. Maybe you thought he was an alien. Maybe you thought he was a he. Maybe you thought it was a she. Maybe you think it's short because it looks short on the picture. But maybe you thought it was tall because perhaps you pictured a person being that size compared to the person. Maybe you infer the fact that he's happy because he kind of looks like he's smiling here, and so on. There's lots of different things you can infer from the picture based on what you're looking at. Now what I'd like you to do is pause the video and give 2 observations and 2 inferences about this picture right here. Okay, you got your 2 from each one. Some observations could include it's a person. That person is curled over. That person has 2 arms. That person has light skin, brownish hair, and a blue shirt. Some inferences could be that the person is sick because it looks like this person is laying in bed and doesn't really look like they're feeling that well. You could say that the person is tired because again, they're in bed, they're kind of curled over. These are all inferences, things that you assume are happening based on what your observations are. And that concludes our lesson on scientific literacy.